Hi, this is Mike Giannicola, and I wanted to share with you today a lesson that I do for foot dribbling, manipulation, and striking skills. So one of our starting points here is making sure that I go over the grade level outcomes just so that the students know the why, the purpose of what we're doing. We start with a message for the students when they come in. This is for the older students. For the warm-up, they'll come in and do rock, paper, scissors evolution. Start as an egg, find other eggs, challenge them. If you win, you become a chicken, then a dinosaur, then a superhero. And those are not the best art skills in the world. I like to give them a choice of the different type of ball that they can use. Got hard foam, soft foam, stuff that's like an air ball, smaller, larger, different sizes. You got like the soccer trainers. For the foot dribbling, they'll dribble around the gym today, and I'll call out a random color, and they want to dribble over and trap the ball inside that color with other students. And then finally, they'll be going over my soccer pass quest that I created to run them through different skills against the wall. You can use it with a projector or give them the sheets individually, just print them out and let them have them, or put them on a wall. It's up to you. And then I have them chart their progress through that the soccer quest using the Plagnets, which are still in pretty good shape considering I've had them printed out since August, and they're not laminated. They're just the printable Avery magnetic inkjet paper. Alright, and then I like to close it out with a pair share, like a walk and talk, where they go over some concept or a favorite part of their lesson and get that accountable talk going so they can have that wonderful discussion and come back and meet, and they can share what awesome things they discuss with one another.